Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the global version, the original, brand new top selling mini laser machine product on Aliexpress with discount price. Check discount price and buy from description below link.if. You've got a lot of spare parts lying around. You may be able to cobble together your own laser engraver without too much trouble. We've already seen small engraver builds that use an Arduino, but Jeremy tipped us off to Xiang Zhai's version, which provides an in-depth guide to building one with a Raspberry Pi. Xiang began by opening up 2 spare DVD writable drives, salvaging not only their laser diodes, but the stepper motors and their accompanying hardware, as well as a handful of small magnets near each diode. To assemble the laser, he sourced an inexpensive laser diode module from eBay and used a vise to push the diode into the head of the housing. With the laser snugly in place and the appropriate connecting wires soldered on, Xiang whipped up a laser driver circuit, which the Raspi will later control. Xiang worked out the stepper motor's configuration by following Groover's engraver build. We featured it a few years back, attaching the plate that holds the material to be engraved onto one axis and the laser assembly to the other. Check out Xiang's project blog for details explaining the H-bridge circuits, as well as the Python code for the Raspi. As always, if you're attempting any build involving a laser, please use all necessary precautions. And if you need more information on using DVD burners for their diodes, check out this hack from earlier in the summer. Got a couple of old DVD-RW drives lying around, just collecting dust. Of course you do. If not, you likely know where to find a pair, so you can build this totally adorable and fully dangerous laser engraver for your desk. Check out the complete build video after the break. Smartronix doesn't just tell you to salvage the stepper motors out of the drives. They show you how it's done, and even take the time to explain in writing what stepper motors are and why you would want to use them in this project, which is a remix of Maggie Shaw's design over on Thingiverse. As you might expect, the 2 steppers are wired up to an Arduino Uno through a CNC shield, with a pair of A4988 motor drivers. These form the 2 axes of movement. The 250 MW laser is attached to X, and the platform moves back and forth on the Y-axis. We'd love to have one of these to mess around with. Nothing that fits on that platform would be safe. Just don't forget the proper laser blocking safety glasses. Need something much bigger that won't take up a lot of space. Roll up your sleeves and build a SCARA arm to hold your laser. While Stool has a history of creating elegant laser machines that can be used in the home, such as the award-winning Stool M1. If you need more power in a safe, less messy form than offered by open-frame diode machines, then you'd be lacking. I love the new Stool P2, for example, but it's large and heavy and maybe too powerful for home crafting. The new Stool S1 sits between the brand's 2 newest laser cutters, offering more power than the M1, but smaller and cleaner to use than the P2. With an enclosed 40W diode laser setup, the Stool S1 is a state-of-the-art high-wattage semiconductor laser engraver and cutter that is small enough to fit into a crafter's room and powerful enough to manage projects. For example, the Stool S1 is compact and lightweight at 20 kg. It's less than half the weight of the Stool P2. 45 kg. Laser power 40W20. Spot size 0.08 x 0.10 mm, 0.08 x 0.06. Working speed 600 mm. Working area 498 x 319 mm, 498 x 313. Working area with automatic conveyor feeder 470 mm x 3000 mm. Additional transmission rail is required. Output voltage 25V11A 24V8. A connection Wi-Fi as support Android and iOS, iPad, Windows and Mac software XCS. Litburn support file SVG, DXF JPG, JPEG PNG, BMP, TIFF weight 20 size 765 x 561 x 183 millimeters, excluding riser base 765 x 561 x 268 millimeters, including riser base. This means the Stool S1 can support the kind of curved surface engraving found in the larger Stool P2 machine. The Cutter's laser module uses 8 5.5W lasers compressed to deliver a 40W beam, which can offer a comparable cutting efficiency to a CO2 machine. DW can cut 0.04 mm stainless metal. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Top Mini Laser Machine 2023 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching to this channel.